What's my name, I hear you say? I'm KrizzyB! And what am I going to be doing today, you say? Why, ma'am, I was thinking of doing a little bit of cooking. Play that music I like to call my intro. Good evening, my friends. I am here once again to fill your brain cells with useless knowledge on how to cook the simplest of simple things. But I do it in my own special way, a way I like to know as crap. However, this week, folks, I am here to teach you how to make something very quick and very easy. Even I can do it, which means you can do it. Unless you forget it. Microwave brownies. What's that? Microwave brownies. What's that? Shut your f***ing mouth. Sorry. So for this week, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some milk. You're gonna need some self-raising flour. Some sugar. Honey, honey, You're also going to need some cocoa, because that makes it chocolate, I think. And you're also going to require 1 egg. Now this one's going to be easy, folks. You cannot get this wrong. If you get this wrong, I will smash this egg over your head. Fool. Now like I said, this is going to be the easiest recipe that I have ever showed you. Even easier than the pancakes. Because this time, it's going to work right. You just put the following quantities into a mug. Dead simple, a mug. See that? That's a mug. I know this is a mug, but I'm wanting you to focus on this mug. Okay? Focus. Open sesame. Spelling everywhere. Making it all untidy and shit. 4 tablespoons, that's one of these, a tablespoon. 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour into the mug. Ooh, tablespoons. 4. Easy as pie. 4 tablespoons of sugar. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 tablespoons of cocoa. 1 egg. Oh yeah. 3 tablespoons of milk. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Shit. Close enough, close enough. It's all good in the hood. And finally, once you've made a huge mess, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Or any oil. Petroleum oil, not so good. Now very simply mix it all together so that it's all nice and gloopy and shit. Once you have it all mixed up in the mug, you can add any ingredients you want to make them a bit more exciting. You can add some vanilla flavouring, you can add some chocolate chips, whatever you like. Oh, where'd this pot come from? Hello? And now all you have to do is stick this fantastic mixture in the microwave for roughly about 3 minutes. Oh my goodness, I hope this works. You can see the mixture is beginning to rise. Wow, look at that. That is what I call a brownie mixture. Ooh. That is shit in Austin. Wow. Look at that. Bonafide microwave brownies. And now for the most important test of the day. The taste test. Wow. This is so good. Yo, and that's it. That's brownies, baby. That's some fantastic brownies in just around 3 minutes. So get them made, dudes, because they taste awesome. Okay, that's it for Cooking with KrizzyB. I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Goodbye! Yeah, milk in the shot. Best angle ever. Sugar in the shot. It'd be all like brown and oh damn. Is that alright with you? Is that alright? Because if you got a problem, man, if we got a problem, you got a problem. And if you got a problem, you're gonna die. Yes, you are. Add some chocolate chips to the mixture and... Why can't I do this? It's the only important bit of the whole episode.